This video demonstrates calling a web service directly from inside Visual Studio using the Liquid Studio extensions. First, we'll select Tools, Create Web Service Test. This runs a wizard which allows us to select our web service connection. We don't have one currently, so we'll select New Connection. We will create an OpenAPI Web Service connection. We will use the Liquid Technologies OpenAPI Sample Web Service by clicking this link. Here you can see the connection we've created. On the next screen, we'll get a list of all of the operations available as described by the OpenAPI descriptor on the web service. We're going to select the Find Books by Status operation. The last screen allows us to select the response type. We want application/JSON response. When we click Finish, we get the option to create sample data for our web service call. We'll say yes. Here is the sample data created. When we make the call, we are only interested in stock books. The response will go into the file specified. We'll call this in stock response. When we call the web service, we can see all of the in-stock books listed. Now we'll create a second web service call using the same connection, but this time we'll select Update Status of an existing book, and we'll specify the request content type as application/JSON. This web service call is expecting a URL path parameter of the ISBN of the book and a status to update the book status. Going back to our response data, we'll select the ISBN of the first book. And we'll set the status to be on order. Now we'll call the web service. If we go back to our first web service test and change the response file to in-stock response 2, now when we make the web service call, we can see that the first book, Dark Matter, is no longer listed. If we change the status to on order and we change the response file name to on order response, now when we make the web call, we'll see only the on order books, and this now includes the Dark Matter book that we changed the status. This has provided a simple overview of what's possible using Liquid Studio extensions inside Visual Studio. Please check out our website for further information. Thank you.